Cursive lowercase e. When using lined paper, you want to imagine a halfway point in your line and not to cross over in lowercase letters. Lowercase e, you start off with an undercurve, loop back, slant, undercurve. Undercurve, loop back, slant, undercurve. There are two of them. Remember, do not pick up your pencil and have both hands actively engaged holding your paper. When I zoom in, I look at this E that I just made. There's something wrong with it. Do you notice right now that part of my letter is floating? Please make sure that you avoid floating letters. So you have your undercurve, loop back, slant, undercurve. You've now practiced I, T, and E. So now try out the word like T at a golf course. T, E, E. Lift up, cross your T. Or the word tie. T all the way to the top. Retrace, come down, I, E, looping back. Come back, dot your I, cross your T.